Once upon a time there was a little red hen who liked to say
No!
every now and then. If you asked him
Help!
or
Have a go!
he always answered
No!
his favourite words were
No!
and
Wait! Not me, not a chance! No, not today! Nothing! Never! No, not now!
but everybody loved him anyhow. One day N found a seed to sow and needed help to make it grow.
Now, little seed, up you go!
But the tiny little grain said,
Along came D and O and G. Dog. I'm Little Red Hen, won't you help me? Not I, said the dog, and down he sat. No way, said N. Well, fancy that.
then
Here I am.
said good old I.
I can do it. Let me try. Dig.
D dug a hole.
I planted the grain. G made it rain.
Along came C and A and T. Cat. You. The wheat grew tall, now N couldn't see. I'm Little Red Hen, I want to eat. Who can help me cut this wheat?
Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat.
Nobody, no one, fancy that. Along came you.
Oh, hi, that's me.
Cut.
We've cut the wheat, as you can see.
Then along came P and I and G. Pig. N looked down. What a mess, said he. I'm Little Red Hen, let's make it neat. Who can help pick up this wheat? Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig. Well, fancy that. Along came C and K, who said, Pick. No way, said N, who was little and red. Now who will help me make a mill? But the animals pretended to be ill. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig. Well, fancy that.
Along came M and double L.
Mill.
We'll grind the wheat and grind it well.
I'm the little white hen. I'm ready to go. Who can help me mix the dough?
Not I, said the dog.
Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig.
Well, fancy that.
Along came X.
X strikes again. I'm here to help the Little Red Hen. Mix.
Nice. Now who will help me bake the bread?
But all the animals shook their heads. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig.
Well, fancy that.
Along came H and O and T.
Hot.
It's hot.
Said H.
Go carefully.
The bread smelled good.
Nice, he said. Now who will help me eat this bread?
I will, said the dog. I will, said the cat. I will, said the pig.
Well, fancy that.
Out came the words.
No way. Not you lot. No chance. Not today. I'll only share it with my friends.
And this is where our story ends,
No, not enough.
said the Little Red Hen. Then he had an idea.
Let's make it 10. 10.
And that's the story of the Little Red Hen who liked to say
no
every now and then. But he's learned a new word. Can you guess? The Little Red Hen can now say...
Yes! Yes to the dog. Yes to the cat. Yes to the pig.
Well, fancy that! Alphablocks!
Odd. How odd.
Good day. Uh-oh.
Og. Og? Og? What's an og? Oh. How odd.
Yes? An og ran off with your magnifying glass? Yikes!
Yog.
Yog! Yog, yog, yog! Yippee! A yog! Yog? Zog, zog, zog! The yog needs a zog. Yog!
Zzz. What is that?
A yog.
A yog?
Yes, a yog.
A yog? How odd.
Zog, zog, zog!
And it needs a zog.
A zog?
Yes, a zog.
A zog? How odd. Z. Zog. Zog. Zog, zog, zog.
Yog, yog, yog!
Zogs, zogs, zogs. Attention, Alphablocks. The yog and the zog need a zox.
Extraordinary. What is that?
A yog on a zog.
A yog on a zog?
Yes, a yog on a zog.
A yog on a zog? How odd.
Zogs, zogs, zogs. And they need a zox.
A zox?
Yes, a zox.
A zox? How odd.
Z.
X.
Zox.
Zox! Zox, zox, zox!
Zog, zog, zog.
Yog, yog, yog!
Vox, vox, vox.
Exciting news. The yog and the zog and the zox need a vox.
What is that?
A yog on a zog on a zox.
A yog and a zog and a zox.
Yes, a yog on a zog on a zox.
A yog and a zog and a zox. How odd.
Vox, vox, vox.
And they need a vox.
A vox?
Yes, a vox.
A box. How very odd.
X. Vox.
But
That's a box.
Vox, vox, vox.
Zox, zox, zox!
Zog, zog, zog.
Yog, yog, yog! Ugh, ugh, ugh!
Zogs.
Ugh, 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 ugh. Ugh, yog!
Zog.
Zox!
Vox.
Og on a yog and a zog and a zox on a box and zogs on a box.
Vox.
Zox!
Zog.
Yog, ugh! Ugh, ugh!
Zog, zog.
Yog, yog!
How odd.
We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
We can make
Anything, hold my hand, make a magical wand.
When letters get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the